Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add a font to Microsoft Word. Now in order for us to get this done, I'm just going to show you something right here. Let's head over to Google and from here let's type the font and then let's go ahead and open this one. Now from here let's go ahead and scroll down here. Let's go ahead and try this one, Dirty Lane. I'm going to show you that we don't have that. So if I were to go ahead and type here, say for example, Dirty Lane, it is going to come up with something, but that is not actually the font. As you can see, this is a very different font. So let's go ahead and change that. I'm just going to undo that for now. And then we're going to go ahead and hit the download button right here. Next, we're going to go ahead and open this. And then you're going to look for open type, this one. OTF or TTF, usually it's open type or typeface. I'm going to hit the install button right here. And again, this is a very different font. Now let's head over back to our Microsoft Word and let's highlight this one, change it, and again, it's called Dirty Lane. As you can see, that is the font itself. This is a very different font from what we have previously used, and that everybody is how you're going to add font here in your Microsoft Word.